Imagine a world where humans suddenly vanish, leaving Earth behind. Without humans, nature begins to reclaim urban spaces. Buildings, once bustling with life, slowly decay and crumble.
Wild animals roam freely, taking over spaces humans once dominated.
Rivers and oceans start to heal as pollution decreases. Concrete and asphalt break down under nature's relentless growth. From space, the Earth appears greener and more vibrant than before. Pets must learn to survive without human care. Skyscrapers and bridges are slowly enveloped by creeping vegetation. Roads become forests, and vehicles turn to rusting relics. Power plants shut down, and the Earth slowly stabilizes without human interference. Fields once cultivated for food are now wild landscapes once again. Without maintenance, infrastructure fails, and rivers reclaim their natural courses. Seasons cycle uninterrupted, and life adapts to a human-free world. Man-made structures slowly crumble under the relentless force of nature. The Earth's creatures reclaim homes once dominated by humans. Forests expand, rivers purify, and ecosystems flourish. In the grand scale of time, Earth heals without human presence. Concrete gives way, cities fade, and life continues in new forms. Even in absence, life endures. Earth will always find a way.